Okay, this is the video for 4i, fractions and percentages. Percentages tend to be a weird thing that kids kind of don't understand, but percentage means out of 100. So if I have something as easy as 20%, it really means this number here, this is an actual number, it means 20 out of 100. That's all 20% means. Sometimes we talk about 20% of another number or 25% off a pair of jeans, but 20% is actually a number and it means 20 over 100. And I can simplify that. I can say, well, 10 goes both of those, 2 over 10, and 2 divides into each of these 1 over 5. So 20% and 1 over 5 are the same number. There's lots of common percentages and fractions that go together. 1/2, you know what that is, 0.5. 1/3 is a weird one, we'll leave it. What's 1/4? 0, oops, I'm doing the decimal instead of the percent. Oh, 1/2, you're probably saying, Mrs. Rafferty, no, it's 50%. And 1/4, I hope you know, is 25%. A quarter of something is 25%. And 1/8 is half of that. A quarter, it's half of a quarter. So it's 12.5, half of 25%. And 3/4 is 75%. Now the thirds are weirdos. They're repeating. So they're 33.3 with a dot on it, percent. Weird. And 2/3, I can figure that out. Watch how I do this. I go 2 divided by 3, if I use my calculator, and I get this long repeating decimal. And I want that to be something out of 100. Oops. So it's 66.6 with a dot over it, percent. So those are really weird ones, but they're kind of good to know. Okay, so it says express these percentages as fractions or mixed numbers in their simplest form. So this is 17 over 100, and nothing goes evenly into both 17 and 100. This one is 36 over 100, and it looks like I can at least put 2 into each one of these. So I might need a little side work here. 36 divided by 2. Carry the 1, 8. So it's 18 over 50. Look, I think 2 can go in again into both because it ends in an even number. So this is 9 over 25, and I think I'm finished now because 3 doesn't go into 25 and 9 doesn't go into 25. 140 over 100 is this one, equal to that. And so I can do that, put 10 in, 14 over 10, and then I can see that 2 goes in, 7 over 5. I can leave it like that, or I can put 1 and 2/5. Either one is fine. Now this says convert the following fractions to percentages. So if it's over 100, it's just the top, it's 5%. If it's 25 here, I could make it into 100 on the bottom. I could build it up. What do you multiply 25 by to get 100? And I can do the top. So I can use my old trick of building fractions. And as soon as I get 100 on the bottom, I can say that this is 44%, 44 out of 100. Now this one says convert the following fractions to percentages. These are really, really kind of hard ones. So I can't put multiply 8 by something to get 100. So I might do 3 divided by 8. Okay, it says this, take good notes. And I have to put a decimal here and a decimal right up here. Okay. So I say, how many times does 8 go into 30? Well, 8 times 3 is 24, so I might use that one. And 8 times 3 is 24, and I have 6 left over. Okay, so I have another 0 there, and I put 60, and then 8 goes into 60. Let's see, 8 goes into 60, 7 times 8 is 56, and I have another, 7 times 8 is 56, 4 left over, and I have 5. So when that's the decimal, I want to move this twice to make it out of 100, so 37.5 over 100. That's really hard, isn't it? Another good way is to see that it's eighths and go up and steal 1/8. So that's 12.5. So if 1/8 equals 12.5, then 3/8 is 3 times this. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and 3 times 1 is 3 with 1 decimal place, 37.5%. That seems a little bit easier. Okay, I'm going to put this one and I'm going to say this right here is 300%. And then I'm going to do 3/5. Well, 3/5, I'm going to go up here. 3/5 is 3/5, 1/5 is 20%. So 3/5 is 60%. So it's 360%. Not bad. I like it. Those are your problems.